Hey guys, Peter here. I'm just going to show you how to use the Analyze test account, how to download the master key file to your phone, and then how to import it into the Analyze app. So now, depending what phone you have, iPhone, Android, what version of software, it may look slightly differently. However, overall the concept is the same. Now, if you're sent the file via WhatsApp, you're going to basically open the Dropbox link, and it's going to open the Dropbox app. Now, once it opens it, you're going to click the three little dots here under the test account key, and then you're going to click Make Available Offline, and that's going to ask you if you want to download the file to your phone. You click Download. Now, once it downloads, you're going to see that little icon with the down arrow. Okay, so that's basically now downloaded to your phone, ready for you to import it when the app asks. Now, let's say you get sent it via Facebook, or you're accessing it via Facebook. It's also involve your business Facebook group. So you're going to click the Dropbox link, and it's going to show up like this. And you're going to say, or continue to the website if you don't have the app. And then you're going to click the icon. It's going to look like this. You're going to click these three little dots here, and you're going to click Direct Download. And then it's going to open up, and it's going to look like this, and it's irrelevant what's inside. You need the actual whole file. So you're going to click the three little dots again up in the top right. Then you're going to click Open in Safari. Now, when you click that, it's going to ask you if you want to download the test Healy master key, and you're going to click Download. Now, once that's done, in the top right, you'll see there's a little down arrow, and that indicates that it has downloaded basically the test master key to the phone. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to go to the App Store, and you're going to download the Healy Analyze app. And then you're going to click the download icon. And depending on your internet connection, it'll take a couple of minutes. Now, downloading the file, like I said, depending what version you have, the Dropbox app especially might look a little bit different. So you might have something like saying export, and what you want to do is you want to export it and save it to like files on your phone. So the aim is to have that file saved somehow locally onto your phone, so then you can import it when it asks. So while the Healy Analyze app is downloading, what you want to make sure is that you have Bluetooth turned on, and on some phones even location services. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your Healy on by pushing the power button, and you're going to see the green light starting to flash. Okay, now the Healy Analyze app is downloaded. You're going to open it, and it's going to ask to access Bluetooth. You're going to allow it, so you're going to click OK. You're going to go next on the disclaimer, and then you're going to click I have a Healy. Then you're going to click Login. Then you're going to say yes to connect. And now what it's going to do is going to try and find any Bluetooth Healy devices in range, and it should pick it up in a, there we go. Now it's going to show up that it's not connected. You're going to click on Not Connected, and it's going to connect to the Healy. Now, as soon as it connects, you will see the Bluetooth light on the Healy start to flash, indicating that it has connected and it's working with the app. Now you're going to get the username and the password to log in, and the email is basically the username, and again the username is user1@test.com, and the password is user123. So email is user1@test.com, user1@test.com, and it's user1234, and there you go, user1234. You're going to click these three slide bars, and then you're going to click Login. And now it's going to go off and verify, And once that's done, now it's going to ask you to import that master key file that you saved to your phone. So you're going to click import master key file. And now over here, you can either manually go to the location, so you can start to move around and find the file. The easiest way is you just go to search and you type test. And when you type test, here it is. So as you see, I've got quite a few of them because I've been playing around. So you just select the file, so you click it, and basically it's going to now start to import the file. And this may seem like it's frozen, but it's actually not. This is right now importing it, and this may take a few minutes. So it could take 5-10 minutes depending on your connection and depending on the server connection. So just let this sit here like this until it actually tells you that it has been successfully imported. So just got to have to be patient for a few minutes. So I'm gonna now basically speed up the video, and I'll cut out the time so we don't just sit here waiting, and then I'll show you the next steps. So a few minutes later, as you can see, it's basically told me that the import was successful. So it did take a few minutes. So like I said, you got to be patient. It can take 5-10 minutes even. And once it is done and successful, you get this pop-up, and then you click OK. And now what it's going to do is it's going to ask to sync changes. You're going to get a pop-up saying you're not connected to Wi-Fi, which is fine. Just click yes. And now this again should take not too long, but it can take a few minutes again, depending on your internet connection and the server connection. Relatively, it's not too bad and should be fairly quick. So it basically needs to get to 100%. Now once it's done and synced the changes, you're going to get a pop-up saying that you want to save your master key. Now of course you don't want to save it and back it up because you already have it, and this is just a test account, so we don't need to do that. So you can click on no. And obviously this is the pop-up from previously saying that the synchronization was completed successfully. You click OK, and the Analyze app is pretty much now ready to go. And obviously if you need some assistance in how to use it, you'll need to get some assistance and help and instructional videos as well from the person that obviously has shared the Healy with you. Alright, thanks guys, bye.